everyone, welcome to our Healthy Cougar Network. I'm Alejandra and I'm a peer health advisor in student health and counseling services. Today we have a no-bake energy bite recipe for you all. This recipe is low-calorie, gluten-free, easy to make, very portable to have on the go. It's energy boosting and of course it's delicious. To get started, these are the ingredients you will need. So 1 cup of oats, a cup of chocolate covered almonds, 3 tablespoons of flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of chia seed, about a half a cup of peanut butter, 4 tablespoons of honey, and a fourth teaspoon of vanilla extract. These are all ingredients that can be found during the ASI Cougar Pantry food distribution in your bags. And feel free to get your bag on Wednesdays from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. or Thursdays by appointment. This no-bake Energy Bites recipe is very versatile in terms of the ingredients. So here we got a dried fruit and nut mix in our pantry bag last week, and if you do not have all of these ingredients, you can substitute whatever you would like, or even add certain ingredients to your liking. So we're just going to start adding all of our ingredients now into our mixing bowl. The first is 1 cup of oats and a half cup of these chocolate covered almonds. For our purposes today, we actually blended them so they wouldn't be so big in our bites. So we're going to measure out 3 tablespoons of flaxseed. All right, 1 tablespoon of chia seed. And a half a cup of peanut butter, and this could be a heaping cup or just add peanut butter to your liking. So now that it's measured, we can use, this is where a scraper would be useful in this recipe. And then our other ingredients, 4 tablespoons of honey. Scraper for these stickier ingredients. And then finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And there it is. So now you will incorporate all of these ingredients together. Once the consistency is thick and you think that it will be easy to roll up in balls, you can go ahead and start doing so. So how we're going to do this is put on some gloves. Again, this is an optional step just in case you don't want to get your hands all sticky, but you'll just see that the consistency is very much like a dough. To measure them out a little bit better, you can use a tablespoon and just fill it up so that all of your balls are about the same size. And this is what they'll look like. And you can just set these aside on your flat pan or your board or whatever you're using. So again, just measure it out with that 1 tablespoon, roll it up, and place them on your board. You can put them in the fridge for about an hour or in the freezer to speed up the process. You can also just leave them overnight to have a snack ready for the next day. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your no-bake energy bites. Stay tuned for our next demo. As a giveaway item, we have this 24-piece utensil set. For the chance to win, make sure you interact with this post and comment your thoughts or tag a friend down below.